As the CEO of C1S Group in Dallas, a $30 million engineering and construction management firm for industrial manufacturing customers, and as a sitting director on the board of TEXO, the Construction Industry Association, that includes all the ABC and AGC association members in North and East Texas, Julie Strong is both the leader of her company and a leader in her industry. As such, I asked her what the future holds for construction technology, and this is what she said. As a board member over at TEXO, are you seeing, I guess you guys are probably keeping track of what everybody uses. Mm-hmm. Do you formalize that process? And then what do you see coming down the pike in construction that you can share with?
We don't actually formalize and disclose. When you ask, people are happy to tell you. There's lots of Sage 300 customers, and then Sage Intacct, of course, is coming along. Procore is broadly used for the project management side, along with Prolog and a few others. But this industry, leadership in this industry, technology is really coming in strong in terms of digital interface, site verification, lots of streamlining processes is coming through technology in terms of documentation, safety, engineering concepts where you can overlay drone photography on top of a AutoCAD model and start layering it and show a client in New York what his building looks like in Dallas on a day-to-day basis. And so a lot of technology around the visual interface and conflict resolution in construction, but also just greasing the wheels of all the paper that moves between us. We used to send RFIs, requests for information. We used to send those on paper, on fax paper, and then we started emailing them, but then you have to keep up with all this email. Well, now we've got these portals, and now we've standardized the document. And so it just keeps getting easier and easier. I'm sure there's a point of diminishing return, but we're not there yet. We're still sharpening the saw on how to grease the wheels of business and construction.
Julie and I agree on everything here, except I am less persuaded we'll see a point of diminishing returns on future construction technology. But that's my job, to make sure I stay up to date on construction financial management applications and to ensure Julie and her colleagues at C1S Group get every bit of return on investment in Sage Intacct Construction they deserve. C1S Group plus Sage Intacct Construction plus BTerrell SmartSuite. Together, we're building something special.